welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is your most requested everyday Korean makeup look, and I'll be showing you guys how I did this look. Sobrang dali lang, as in I've used affordable products, and also you can do this under 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, please continue watching this video. So yeah, this is my bare face. I already did my skincare. So this is how it looks like without anything on. And pasensya na kayo kung medyo malapit because I'm using my 50mm lens. And hindi ako super sanay dito. Pero feeling ko parang medyo okay naman siya. So yun, anyway, let's start off with the base. This is my favorite cushion ever. It's from Clio. It's the Clio Founwear Cushion XP. So I'm using the shade 4BO. Just pat the product with the puff and then apply it on my face. Super duper dali lang ng everyday makeup ko. Like, kaya mong gawin in less than 10 minutes. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, I go to work everyday. So usually nga, sa office na ako nagme-makeup. Kasi pagkagising ko, okay, pasok na, ganun. And just pat in the product. I love their puff kasi super duper nakaka-blend siya ng product, as you can see. It's very, very natural. Ganyan siya. I know their shade selection is still sort of light. This is the fourth darkest shade. Tama ba? Fourth nga ba? Or third? Meron pang isang darkest which is 5. Pero, girl, medyo light pa din talaga siya. So yan, ganyan siya, guys. I love this cushion because it's very natural. Kung nakita niyo yung difference. And ang lakas lang niya maka-fresh. So again, this is the Kill Cover one from Clio. I think this is around 1.6. Pero may refill na. You can check it out at Club Clio. Meron sa Trinoma, MOA. And I'll just be putting the links down below where you can check it. So yeah. And then next is concealer. So this is my favorite go-to concealer. This is from the Saem and it's their Tip Concealer. I'm using the shade number 2. Ginagamit ko din yung 1.5. Pero yun yung meron ako ngayon. So I just usually put this on my under eye circles and then blend it using my finger. But since andito ako sa bahay, I can use a sponge para lang mas makita nyo kung paano siya mas maganda pagka binlend. So I really love this concealer because it's very affordable yet works so well, as in one of my best concealers ever. So yun lang siya. So kailangan talaga siyang lagyan ng onting concealer. So mas gusto ko to actually sa Club Clio kasi yun nga, mas affordable siya. Perfect siya for everyday, pero kung high coverage talaga, pinaka the best pa din yung Clio. Like, I swear, one of the best concealers ever. So, yan. Mas maganda talaga pagka biniblend siya with a sponge. Kasi mas na gumaganda yung product niya sa balat. Very natural yung finish. Minsan kasi sa fingers, yun nga, medyo mahirap i-blend for others. But for me, for everyday, usually itong ring finger lang talaga. Sobrang gusto ko yung sponge na to. And this is only 150 pesos. You can buy this from Menchi kay Star Main Shop. Sister ni Anna, siya yung pumili ng sponge for me nung nagpunta ako sa bazaar niya. And girl, super lambot. Tapos 150 lang to. Para siyang Real Techniques. Actually, mas gusto ko pa nga din to sa beauty blender ko kasi very natural lang. Tapos ang lambot-lambot niya. Ito yung reason kung bakit kailangan ko ng concealer araw-araw kasi ang ganda talaga and ang lakas maka-fresh. Diba? So, medyo natakpan ng very light ang ating under eye circles. And yun nga, pagka ginamitan mo siya ng sponge, very natural looking lang siya. So, again, this one is from the Saem. So, yeah, next naman is lip balm. I usually prep my lips with a lip balm. This is from V&M. It's their Smooch Lip Detox and Peppermint. One of my favorites ever. And then next, I'll be using this one from Bilena. This is their new lip and cheek roller. I'm using the shade Nightberry. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan, ang kanilang bagong lip balm na hirap akong hanapin. It's a perfect red. So, yun, guys. I-apply ko lang siya sa cheeks and then dito sa lips. Na-try ko na tong shade pa lang na to and I really love it. So, ganyan lang siya. Parang fresh look lang. Lip tint din yung nilalagay ko sa cheeks kasi mas long-lasting siya. So, as you can see, nagkakulay lang or buhay yung cheeks ko. Blendable. Hindi siya yung super pigmented na mahirap siyang i-absorb ng skin or, tawag dito, ma-blend using your fingers. So, that's how it looks like on my cheeks. And now, we'll be applying it on my lips. Diba? Sobrang pigmented. Tsaka gusto ko dito, sobrang ganda ng rollerball niya. Like, nakaka-addict siyang iganon-ganon. This is for only 125 pesos and it's one of the best local lip tints I've tried out there. So yan, we're almost done. Guys, ganun lang talaga kadali. You always request my everyday makeup look and sabi ko parang paano ko ba gagawin yun kasi sobrang dali lang, baka sabihin nila yun na yun. Pero ganun lang talaga guys kasi this is just my go-to makeup. So now we do the brows. I've been getting a lot of questions about it when I post like a makeup photo sa aking Instagram, and ang tagal ko na tong binanggit sa favorites videos ko or sa previous videos ko pa. And this one is a drawing eyebrow from Etude House. It's one of my favorite eyebrow pencils ever. It's the best, and ang dami kong kilalang makeup artist na ginagamit to kasi super ganda nga. Ganyan lang siya, retractable lang siya. Very easy to use. Ganyan lang siya, yung typical eyebrow pencil. So, first, I just, ganito lang. Hindi groomed yung brows ko ngayon. Super gulo niya, tignan. And then, I just apply the product underneath. Kung paano ko siya usually ginagawa. Super duper ganda nito. Like, ang dami ko nang na-try ng eyebrow pencils, but I always go back to this one. So I really love this product and it lasts the whole day. So this is amazing. I think this is just 150 pesos. Sobrang mura lang din. So yun na siya guys. Very natural lang siya. I really love using this product for my brows. So this is just how I do it. And then next, if I want to go extra, I just use an eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, or a mascara. Actually, depende to sa mood ko. Kasi usually, okay na ako with this. Kasi pag nagmamaskara ako, alam mo yung mahilig ako mag-ganon. Hindi ako yung tao na everyday nagmamaskara kasi nga, sobrang short ng lashes ko. Tapos, ang dali kong mairita. Pero ako lang naman yun madali talagang, alam mo, siguro dahil maliit nga yung mata ko. Ewan ko. Pagka gusto kong medyo lumaki yung aking eyes, I use this one. This is my current favorite from Bilena. It's their Pro Eyeliner in the shade Chocolate. Sobrang ganda nito. And it's very affordable. I think it's around 125 pesos. And ito naman yung aking favorite na Uemura curler. Ito lang yung mahal dito. But I've been using this since 2012 ata nang niregalo to sa akin. And it has been with me for 6 years. Sobrang tagal nito. Parang feeling ko forever na siya. Yun lang, papalitan mo lang yung dito. And then, this one is my favorite mascara as well. This is the Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. So, kung gusto ko lang na medyo extra for that day, I use this product din. Pero for everyday, hindi masyado. So, ito, ganyan lang yung itsura niya guys from Bilena. Na-apply ko lang siya dito sa waterline. Teka, nag-crease na yung ano ko. Para natural effect lang siya. Kaya gusto ko yung chocolate. So, yan. Dito lang siya, guys. So, if you want that go-to Korean look na very natural lang, usually, you should use pencil, eyeliner pencils instead of liquid. Kasi, ganun talaga yung for everyday nila na look. And mas natural siya, tapos mas madali siyang i-blend. And then, lastly, we'll be curling our lashes. And sobrang, ito lang talaga yung nag-work sa aking short, thin lashes. Ang dami ko na ding tinry, like, kahit dupes nito. Pero girl, iba talaga to. You should invest. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal siya. I think it's around 900 or 1,000. Pero for me, sobrang worth it siya. Kasi ang tagal na yan sa akin. As in. Tapos yan ang aking Heroine Make Mascara. Ito medyo pricey din. But this is the only mascara that worked for me din. Tapos talagang hahaba siya. Ang ganda niya tignan. Yung sa last video ko, yung sa BTS na unboxing. Ito lang yung suot ko. Kasi hindi naman din ako everyday nagpo-falsies. At ang tamad-tamad ko talaga, girl, mag-makeup. Hindi ko nga alam bakit ba ako nag-YouTube na beauty. Charot. So, inauntian ko lang siya kasi madali siya magbuo-buo. Tapos yun nga, medyo mabigat yung feeling niya. So, ganyan lang siya. Tapos patatagalin ko siya like mga around 5 to 10 minutes and then I curl my lashes again. And then to set everything, I use this Bio Essence Mist. Actually, hindi naman siya talaga pang set, pero gusto ko siya because it gives me that glow and also yung refreshed look. You can use any mist, but this one I'm using from IOP. Medyo expensive ata to, but I just got it for free in Korea. But you can use any mist on your face after doing your makeup for that dewy look. So So yun na guys, that is my everyday or go-to Korean makeup look. You guys have been requesting for this and I hope I somehow helped you with these products. If you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you enjoyed this simple makeup tutorial. Again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys!